Draw the input-output characteristics of an ideal and non-ideal full-wave rectifier. The difference between ideal and non-ideal is, in case of ideal full-wave rectifier, we consider that the 4 diodes used as ideal diodes, that is their cut-in voltage will be 0 volts. That is, whenever the difference between the voltages of anode and cathode is positive, the diode will turn on, else the diode will turn off. Likewise, whenever the diode is on, replace by short circuit. Whenever the diode is off, replace by open circuit. For non-ideal full wave rectifier, the diodes used in the full wave rectifier are non-ideal. That is, whenever the difference between anode and cathode voltages of a diode is greater than the one diode drop, then only the diode will, else it will be off. Whenever the diode is on, replace by a voltage source of value 1 diode drop, VD on. In reverse bias, or whenever the diode is off, replace by a open circuit. So this is the diagram of a full wave rectifier. This is a bridge full wave rectifier in which 4 diodes are used. This is the actual diagram, or you can have a simplified diagram like this. So there are 2 tips to remember this circuit diagram. First one, so parallel sides, in the parallel arms of the bridge, the diodes face in the same direction. For example, here the diode is facing like this, and here the diode is facing like this. So these two are parallel arms of or parallel branches for this square. So they face same direction. Likewise, the remaining 2 parallel branches also, the diodes same in the face. The diodes face the same direction. Also, you can form a V shape, upper V like this and a lower V like this. The second tip is, Vin is the positive at this point, negative here. Likewise, the terminals, positive and negative terminals of Vout, polarity of Vout is also important. Vout positive is here, negative is here. So this is the input-output characteristics. Whenever input is positive, that is greater than 0, in case of ideal diodes, output follows input. Whenever input is less than 0, output is again equal to input in magnitude, but when there is 180 degrees phase shift. In other words, input is flipped. So as you can see here, waveform, so Vout equal to Vin during the positive half cycle, but that is first quadrant. We should be in the second quadrant during the negative half cycle, and this negative half cycle is flipped. That is, see, this is coming upside. Coming to non-ideal diodes, the diodes will be on not immediately at 0, but after a 1 diode drop. But in bridge rectifier, each time 2 diodes will be on. That is, during the positive half cycle, D3 and D4 will be on. During the negative half cycle, D1 and D2 will be on. So there will be 2 diode drop in the transfer characteristics or input-output characteristics. After in is greater than 2 VD on, then only the diodes will conduct. Likewise, in the negative half cycle also, the input should be less than -2 VD on, then only diodes will conduct. And one more difference is, when the diodes are ideal, magnitude of output is equal to magnitude of input, whereas here the output will be input minus 2 VD on.